Welcome to Maths Masterclass. In this video, we're diving into algebra, starting from the very basics and building all the way to advanced levels. Let's begin with a simple question: what is algebra? Algebra might sound complicated, but at its core, it's about finding missing numbers. If you can solve a basic puzzle, you can definitely learn algebra. Let me show you how. Algebra is the branch of math where we use letters to represent unknown numbers. Think of it like this: something's missing, and your job is to figure out what that is. Here's a quick example. Let's say you had $15, and now you only have $10. You don't remember how much you spent. We can write this as 15 minus x equals 10. So, how much did you spend? You spent $5. That's the missing number. So x equals 5. In algebra, we often use the letter x for that unknown value. We could use any letter, but x is the most common. Let's look at another example. X plus 2 equals 5. X is the mystery number. What number plus 2 gives you 5? It's 3. So x equals 3. Understanding equations and the equal sign. Now, let's talk about the equal sign. A lot of people think it just means the answer is. But in algebra, it means both sides of the equation must be equal, like a balanced scale. For example, x plus 2 equals 5. This means the left side, x plus 2, must be equal to the right side 5. When x is 3, both sides match. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's a balanced equation. Algebra is all about keeping both sides balanced while solving for the unknown. Why algebra matters? Algebra isn't just for classrooms. It helps in real-life problem solving like budgeting, analyzing data, learning how to code, even fixing things at home. It sharpens your brain and helps you think logically and step by step. Mini test. Let's practice. Now, it's your turn. Try solving these. Pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. X plus 4 equals 9. What is x? Ask yourself, what number plus 4 gives 9? Answer, x equals 5. Check it. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Or, work backwards. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Question 2. 10 minus x equals 6. What is x? What must be taken away from 10 to get 6? Answer, x equals 4. Check it. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Or the reverse. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Question 3. X plus 1 equals 1. What is x? It's 0, because 0 plus 1 equals 1. Great job if you got those right. In the next video, we'll go deeper, learning how to solve more equations using letters and symbols. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of this algebra series.